Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Mike Susko.
Well, a good Saturday morning. For the weekend, it's going to be dry and windy, but temperatures at least will be seasonable. The clouds are already beginning to decrease across the Susquehanna Valley, and that will continue. As we go into the upcoming work week, though, spring-like temperatures are going to be coming into the area, and they're sticking around. Highs will be in the 60s for several days next week, so definitely something to look forward to if you are a fan of the warmer weather. Now, as we head into St. Patrick's Day weekend itself, I know a lot of events are happening around the Susquehanna Valley. We'll have mild temperatures, but we also reintroduce the chance for some showers as we go into next weekend. But for today, it looks like we're going to be dry. Decreasing clouds this morning. Temperatures are already around 38, 40 degrees, and they'll go up to 46 this afternoon. The wind will also go up this afternoon to around 35 miles per hour, so it's going to be another breezy day today. This evening, mostly clear, still breezy. We'll drop back to around 36. And then overall tonight, mainly clear. It'll be seasonally chilly. We'll be in the upper 20s with a light wind out of the southwest. Then tomorrow, the wind will pick right back up. We'll get up to around 30 miles per hour for those winds. It'll be partly sunny and breezy here, but a little bit milder. We'll get to around 52 on your Sunday. You're looking outside York right now. You can see the flag flapping in the wind there, so we already have a little bit of a wind in some areas. 41 degrees. Those clouds beginning to break up, though, in the background here. Winds are out of the northwest at 14 miles per hour. Now, current temperature is 38 in Selinsgrove, 40 in Harrisburg, 43 in Gettysburg. Lancaster's at 40 and 42 in Carlisle. I want to show you this, the relative humidity. Right now, we're around anywhere from 35 to 65% here. It's normal in the morning for relative humidity to be higher, but the reason why it's important is because of this. There is an elevated fire risk today for the entire Susquehanna Valley due to dry conditions and breezy winds, and then the relative humidity is going to drop. It's going to go below 30% this afternoon, so every county here, Adams, Franklin, all the way up to Mifflin, Juniata, Lebanon, Lancaster, Dauphin County, as well as York County, just be careful this afternoon, especially with those strong winds. Now, wind gusts today are going to be anywhere from around 20 to 30 miles per hour. You can see how they increase as we go through the afternoon. They will drop again tonight and then pick right back up here as we head into your Sunday. So we're going to be kind of on a little roller coaster, so to speak, with the wind gusts. Now, Storm Team Live Radar Network, it's quiet in the Susquehanna Valley. There's a few flurries up by State College here as some snow showers try to push through, but it looks like those are dissipating. So I expect this to remain dry as we go throughout the day today here. It's just going to be a blustery day with those winds out of the northwest, but the clouds clear this afternoon. Lots of sunshine here to end the day. Then tonight, mostly clear, and we will be starting off tomorrow with temperatures in the upper 20s. And as we head into your Sunday, those winds pick back up again, so it's another breezy day with a mix of sun and clouds for your Sunday, but it'll be dry. And then as we head into your Monday, we really start to see those temperatures increase. The mild conditions return. We're talking highs in the 60s starting Monday across the area. In fact, you can see how temperatures continue to increase each day here through the weekend and into Monday. So by Monday, we get rid of the wind. It's going to be a warm and pleasant day, and then we see temperatures even higher than that as we head into Tuesday and really through next week here. We'll be up to 68 on Tuesday. I think that's going to be the warmest day of the week. A little bit cooler on Wednesday, and then we will hang out in the low 60s, it looks like, as we go through the rest of the 10-day forecast, which is above average. Our average high by next week will be around 50 degrees, and then next weekend, again, especially Sunday, it looks like we'll have some rain chances for St. Patrick's Day weekend.
All right, thanks.